Friends, welcome to Bling DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Now you guys, for today's video I am going to be showing you some Temu items. Now with that being said, make sure you keep watching. We're back, and today's video is a Temu sponsored video. I'm going to be showing you some of the items that I did get from Temu. I got some home decor and some DIY items that I use to create DIYs with. Now with that being said, I'm going to drop Temu's information down in that description box, along with the links for all of the items that I did receive. So make sure you do check out Temu. I do have their website linked down in the description. I'll also have my discount code on the screen as well. Now if you're a first time user, make sure you click that link to Temu and you can get some special bonus items as well. And here are my items that I did get for DIY. Now I have this open it up. This is that self-adhesive crushed diamond epoxy. I'm going to let you see what it looks like. Yeah guys, it looks like that. And this, I think this is like the what was called one half, 1/3 inch cut strip, but that's what it is. It is self-adhesive. You're gonna see some DIYs coming with that very soon. If you are a DIY content creator, make sure you do check out Temu. They do have items that you can use to create some DIYs. We also have this mirrored strip as well, self-adhesive. And this the beveled edges is the 3-row. You're gonna see this in a project I do have coming very soon. And I'm gonna also include a little clip on the screen, the items on how it looks on this website as well, but we do have that. And this is that 6mm 3-post chain, and you see we do have it in the silver. I didn't take the plastic off. You know, if you follow my channel, you know I use this type of close rhinestone chain very often. See, there go that. Like I say, typically I do 2mm. This is actually the 3mm. Well, look at that, you guys. That close rhinestone chain. Make sure you are staying tuned. Some mirror mosaic tile. Looks like that. If you follow my channel, you do know that we do use this a lot. And this is just like that diamond rhinestone hot fix sheet. It's just cut in strips. And this is like 2, 4. This is, I got 7-row, 3-row, and I think 11-row. Well, we have that. Once again, this did come in the 3 sizes. So we got 4 row, 7 row, and 12 row. We have all three of those. These, you guys, we have different styles. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the detail on that. And they're all different. They're each different. We have that one. And we also have that one. I'm going to do a close-up. They are all self-adhesive. And these are little tiny strips. So whatever we use these for will be just a single DIY. Once again, they're all self-adhesive. That looks like that. We have that style. And you see these are just tiny strips. I'm going to use this in a DIY. I also have, and I did open up, this is gold leafing. I'm not going to open it. I did open this one here. This is the silver leafing. And I don't want it to flake everywhere. There's that silver leafing. Once again, we have silver and gold. It was, if I'm not mistaken, it was like 100 sheets each. Or it was a total of 100 sheets. But we do have the silver leafing and the gold. And we do have it, like I say, in silver and gold. We have, this is the diamond rhinestone hot fix sheet. It's all self-adhesive. And this looks more AB, but it's actually just your regular clear. Because I want to let you see the difference in these looks. Because when you do buy these, you guys, you definitely have to, if you're doing a large project, make sure you order them at the same time so you can get them from the same batch. Because the coloring will look a little different. And once again, it's self-adhesive. And two, you guys, I'm going to give you a little tip. When you're using stuff that's self-adhesive, when you see the Crown 513, that typically signifies the stronger, the sturdier, the adhesiveness of the sticky portion of the back. So anytime you see Crown 513, you know you did get you some decent quality. We have epoxy. And this is the crushed diamond epoxy hot fix sheet. And isn't that gorgeous? And like I say, if you follow the channel, you know these are pieces that I do use. And I'm going to let you know, these are items that I am going to do something for 3 family members. If you follow on my channel, I told you guys before, this does not have, this is the one that you have to actually iron on or either glue on. Now they do have the hot fix iron. It's like a little mini iron. When I get ready to do a project, let me know, you guys, if you want to see this in some material, because typically with these, with the iron on, you put them on fabric of clothing or something. But if you would like to see that, just drop me a comment down in the comment section. Just comment clothing, and I know you want to see this DIY with some type of clothing. So we also have that. We have this for us, the DIY final. I do have 2 of these. I have the other one sitting on the other side, but I did have 2 of these, you guys. Now you see that, and we're going to pull this off. And you see how that looks. And this is, once again, this is the crystal rhinestone hot fix sheet, and the other one is the crushed diamond hot fix sheet. You see those look alike. And that's why I tell you, if you're buying it, you have to be extremely careful, because when you're looking like that, it looks different, but they do come in different variation tones with the diamond. But either way, that's still sparkly and glam. Now, Glam Fam, this does conclude this DIY accessory Temu haul. I will include all of Temu's links and their website information down in my description. Don't forget, talk to me in those comments. And if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching and still haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And you guys, I will see you in the next upcoming video.